back, students. Today we are going to study sound. If you will understand the concept, please like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Let's start. Sound energy is a form of energy that is associated with vibration of matter. Sound originates from the vibration that results after an object applies a force to another object. Here in the picture you can see when the pencil vibrates with the glass produces sound. Next we are going to study is compression. A compression is defined as the region in a longitudinal wave where the particles are closest together. Refraction. A refraction is defined as the region in longitudinal wave where the particles are apart from each other. As you can see in the picture, when the particles are close to each other, it forms compression. And when the particles are apart from each other, it forms refraction. You can see in the picture. Now we are going to study terms related to sound. Amplitude, the maximum displacement of the wave on either side of its mean position, is known as amplitude. Crest, the point of maximum compression, is known as crest. Trough, the point of maximum refraction, is also known as toe. You can see this is the amplitude, the distance between two wave, and this is the crest, this is the toe. Wavelength, oscillation and time period. Wavelength is defined as the distance between two consecutive compression and refraction. Oscillation is the one complete to and fro motion of an object particle about its main position. Time period of a wave is the time taken by it to complete one oscillation. It denotes by the letter T and measured in seconds. Frequency of a wave is the number of oscillations completed by it in 1 second. It is denoted by the letter F and measured in Hertz or Hz. Characteristics of a sound. Each sound we hear is a unique combination of three characteristics, which are loudness or intensity of sound, pitch and timbre or quality of sound. Loudness is the characteristic of sound which distinguishes a feeble sound from a loud one of the same frequency. It is the amount of sound energy received by a unit area per second. Loudness of a sound depends on its amplitude. Loudness of a sound increases with an increase in area of vibrating body. Thus, a large drum will produce a louder sound, and the small drum loudness of a sound also increases with the decrease in the distance between the listener and the source. A sound of the same frequency heard at a small distance will be louder than when it is heard from a greater distance. Some other factors on which the loudness of a sound depends are atmospheric temperature and pressure, velocity of the wind, and the amount moisture present in the air. Here in the picture you can see the higher the amplitude is, the louder the sound is. And when the amplitude is lower, the sound is also produced lower. Pitch. The characteristics of a sound that differentiates a shrill sound from a hoarse sound is also called pitch. The pitch of a sound depends on its frequency. A sound wave with a high frequency has high pitch. Higher the pitch, shriller is the sound. A woman's voice has higher pitch and is therefore shriller than a man's voice. Similarly, the sound of a whistle have a higher pitch than that of the drum. Here in the picture you can see the lower frequency is, fatter sound is. When the frequency is higher, so the sound is slower. Now we are going to study about timbre. The quality of sound of a timbre distinguishes two notes of the same pitch, frequency, and loudness amplitude produced by different bodies. Consider the sound out produced by two different musical instruments. For the example, a bond and a guitar with the same pitch and loudness. The two instruments will still produce quite distinct sound. It happens because a sound wave also has a unique pattern of a secondary wave called harmonics. Musical instruments can have the same harmonies. You can see the picture. Students, if you have this, you can say please like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. It's a request to subscribe our channel.